Is working long hours in your construction business robbing you of your family time? Well, if it is, no doubt you're probably feeling stressed out, you might be feeling burnt out, and a little bit resentful of your construction business. So how do we change that this year? Well, I highly recommend you attend our latest workshop called the Work-Life Balance Builder. In this workshop, we're going to be showing you 3 keys to getting work-life balance this year. Firstly, we're going to show you how to do a time audit. Just doing this time audit alone can get you 4 hours back instantly, so you can go and play golf or do something you really enjoy every week. The second thing we're going to do is show you how to focus on the 80-20 principle, where we focus on the important 20% of tasks that get you 80% of your results. We'll show you how to identify that. And the third thing we're going to do is show you how to identify your stress triggers. Once you know what your stress triggers are, you can then avoid them or know how to deal with them going forward. Just doing these 3 things alone will be a little bit of a game changer for you for getting your work-life balance back and not feeling burnt out in your business. So if you'd like to attend this workshop, comment balance below and we'll get you the details sent straight over.